Alright, so I'm giving this another shot. Made a change where now this piece of the fuselage comes all the way up onto the front fold of the KFM wing, which I'm expecting or hoping will help with the flexing that I was doing. Otherwise, it's about the same. I've got something I made with my 3D printer. Got this bracket set up so I can hot swap the walk snail whoop deal. Whoop de whoop. So yeah, I'm gonna see if I get better results with this. Well, it did better, but there's still that flex when I was pulling up. Pretty much had to use the throttle to pull up. I think it's still a combination of that, and then as I'm learning more about center of gravity, flying wings, they just have that issue anyway, and I think between that and the structural things, this kind of doesn't do it. So I was thinking about it on this one, and some of the wobbling that I was experiencing might just be a balance issue. So I figured, why not throw a tail on here and see what performance I get. I've glued it and secured it along the bottom. We shall see, and maybe this will be cool. All right, well, that was awesome. I did not do this on purpose, giving this series such a good name, but this thing has really redeemed itself. Flies great. Now it flies better than my light wing. A lot of the problems I've been having with stability, I think, is just the balance and having a longer section to be a lever. But yeah, this worked great. I'm going to do more flying about it.